Okay, we'll get into slope angle of oblique lines, right? How to get it. Okay, so here we have your front view and then our top view here, yeah? So the top view is your horizontal view. Your right side view is your profile view, so don't forget these alternative names. And the problem is asking you, okay, go ahead and draw, construct, require auxiliary views. That's going to display the true slope angle, yeah? Your reference plane or your full line is right here, yeah? It's kind of skew, yeah? So we're going to start with our projectors and the end-to-end of the lines to verify the projection, yeah? Just set up. So do the same thing, A to A, B to B, your projectors are right there, perpendicular to your full line. I'm saying this again and again, you should get it by now, yeah? Remember, your slope line, okay, is the angle between the line and your horizontal plane. So let's draw that. So here is your top view. Yeah, I'm gonna throw my second full line right here, parallel to my AB. Okay, and then my projector lines, right? Keeping the distance, of course. What distance am I keeping? The first, all right, full line. So from here to here, and then here to here. Don't forget the view, front, and then the top view. Yeah. Connect. Okay, the points A and B. Okay. So now here is your second full line, which is parallel to your AB. Okay, and your angle is right here, your slope angle, right? And that's your true length. Okay, so your EV has a true length because we got the projection from here, yeah, with the second full line. Okay, we can also do the angle on the other side like this, okay? So see that instead of, yeah, getting this angle, but this angle and that angle is the same thing, yeah? Here is your AB, your true length, right line right there. And then we can also transfer, right, this full line to that side. Just a reflection of it. And you have the same angle, yeah? So if you think about your mathematics, yeah, geometry is the same thing if you measure it. Yeah, we can also prove it, of course, mathematically, but we're not going to get into that for proving it. But you gotta take it like if you have the two parallel lines and you have a diagonal line across these endpoints, you have the same angle on each side. Okay. Okay, that's it for the slope angle of oblique lines. How to draw it.